Today we'll be sharing some of our LUSH tips on how to give a back, neck and shoulder massage to someone else. To start, warm the massage bar on your hand or forearm to release the blend of essential oils. Make sure it's at a comfortable temperature before you apply it to the other person. Here we have Alana using our sleep massage bar to promote relaxation. Apply the massage bar around the shoulders and neck and down the back. Once you've applied your massage bar of choice, glide up the back and knead the neck with your fingers and thumb to make sure you have enough coverage. To relax the person you're giving a massage to, use your palms to gently squeeze the shoulder muscles. Choose a shoulder and begin to move your hands in an alternate circular motion around the entire shoulder joint. We know this movement as hand over hand, which sits in the petrissage category for massage movements. They are known for their warming qualities and preparing the muscles for deeper work. Use this kneading movement on the top of the shoulders by using both hands, picking up with fingers and thumbs to warm and soothe tense muscles. Use the heel of your hands to roll over the top of the shoulder muscles. Next, we're going to work over the same area, but this time with the use of your knuckles to lengthen and elongate the shoulder. If you feel like you need extra support, place your other hand on top. To massage the shoulder blade, begin by placing your hands in the space between your spine and your shoulder blade. Use flat hands and push from the centre, over the shoulder blade and towards the shoulder cap. Separate your hands at the shoulder cap and glide back to your starting position. Repeat this movement a few times until it feels like one fluid motion. This movement is great for relaxing the upper body. Finish the shoulder massage by using a few of the hand-over-hand movements used earlier in the sequence. Make sure to repeat all of these movements on the other shoulder for your friend to feel balanced yet relaxed. Remember when massaging to pay particular attention to your own body. It's important to make sure you are comfortable when massaging. Ensure your wrists are not compressed or bent, and that you are stood up straight and not twisting your own body. Once you've finished massaging both shoulders, start to draw your focus to the rest of the back by walking down either side of the spine with your palms. Next, we're going to work on the erector spinae, which is the muscle that runs either side our spine. Starting at the lower back, use the heel of one hand and push away, applying pressure over the erector spinae muscle. Repeat this movement up and down the length of the back on one side before continuing on the other side. To massage the lower back, we recommend you squat down or kneel to make the most of this movement. Use your knuckles in a circular motion around either side of the lower back. This knuckling technique may look like you have to hold your hands in a fist, but to reduce the tension in your arms, keep your fingers relaxed and loose. Walk up the length of the back with your palms until you're up to standing and at the base of the neck. You can then begin to knead the neck with your fingers and thumb. For extra support, place your other hand on their forehead to provide comfort. Finish your massage routine with alternate circles over both shoulders and hold for just a few moments. We hope you enjoyed this how-to video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this.